Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix GTA 5 not launching issue error. Alright, let's begin. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find GTA 5, right-click on it, and select Properties. Now open Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game and repair any corrupted files. If you are using Epic Games, open your library, find GTA 5, click the three dots, select Manage, and then click Verify. Next, open Rockstar Games Launcher and go to Settings. If you want to play GTA Online, enable BattleEye and remove all mods from the GTA 5 folder. If you are launching the game with mods, disable BattleEye. After that, open the GTA 5 installation folder, find GTA5.exe, right-click it, and open Properties. Go to Compatibility and turn off all compatibility options. Restart your PC and try launching the game again. So, that's basically how you can fix GTA 5 not launching issue error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!